Hi, this is Hesper with WTI.
And me and my husband have been using the Nano-b manual toothbrush, and honestly, we are impressed. And what really stands out here is the bristles. They have a double layer design, and the longer ones reach between teeth, the shorter ones clean the surface. Plus, the bristle tips are rounded, and I appreciate that a lot because they're really gentle on my gums, so I don't get little cuts or scratches like I've had with other brushes. The brush head is smaller, which gives me better control, especially around tight areas. And the neck is thinner and longer, so I can easily reach the back of my mouth without straining. And we both love the packaging because it's so stylish. I got the blue one, pink, green, and crystal, and each one comes with its own travel case, which I love for keeping things clean when I'm on the go. They're so soft, smart, and really well designed. And I don't know if I was the only one, but I used to wrap my toothbrush in a t-shirt, but not anymore. Now I have this case, so I'm good to go anywhere I go.
But that's just my point of view.